Hey, Harvey the Solar Fox here. It's time for another Systeme.io training video. So if you're watching this video on YouTube someplace, scroll down into the description of this video. There's going to be a link that will bring you to this page here. And if you have not joined Systeme.io or Systeme.io marketing system, whether you belong to Systeme.io or not, you can do it by clicking here. And yes, can I build a free marketing system for your business? Placing your name here, and of course your business name here, with your logo right in the center here, and at the same time show you how you can earn money giving away free marketing systems. I'm going to click here, and now you're going to register here. Now, when you register here, if you're a Systeme.io member already, not a problem. There's a place for you to click to register. If you're not a Systeme.io member, of course, there's another place where you can register and then request your Systeme.io marketing system with your best money-making opportunity, whatever it might be. So as we work our way down this page, we want to address a few common issues we're seeing with members request and promote their Systeme.io free marketing system. So, okay, here it goes. Make sure you watch this video. It's a tour video of our Systeme.io online training room, okay? If you don't watch it, you're going to be lost. Also, right here, I talk about how I will build a Systeme.io marketing system for your money-making opportunity, wherever it might be, including your Systeme.io business. So if you just want to promote your Systeme.io business, not a problem. But we can incorporate your Systeme.io business with any of these money-making opportunities here, and there's probably hundreds more that we can partner with. So in this video, I talk about how this happens. As we work our way down here, this is the training video I'm going to make today. Watch this video above. The Systeme.io free advertising options. And yes, I will do free advertising for you for your Systeme.io business marketing system. There again, if you're watching this video on YouTube and want to join our Systeme.io marketing system, whether you belong to it or not, this link will be in the description of your video. And when you click on this link, it takes you right to this page here, the one we're on right now. So make sure you like and share this video, plus subscribe to my channel, ringing that little bell to be notified of my next Systeme.io training video. Now, if you are a paid VIP member and have purchased the Done For You traffic package, your marketing system, your Systeme.io marketing system referral link is going to be in the rotator link right here. So make sure that you do like, share this video, because you'll be doing yourself a favor. So there seems to be some confusion in how I will do free marketing for you and where to request that free marketing. Well, in our live training room, we have several different topics. And one of the topics happens to be free advertising options. That is the only place where you're going to request your free advertising for your Systeme.io marketing system. So when requesting free advertising for your Systeme.io marketing system, you must watch this video right here to learn how to qualify for the free advertising from me, Harvey the Silver Fox. So let's take a look at the live training room. Now, this live training room is private. The public cannot get in there. You have to be invited. How do you get invited? Well, when you create your free Systeme.io marketing system, you're sent an email, And in that email is the link to the private training room. It's the only way you're going to be able to get in there. When you arrive in the training room, you're going to arrive in the new member support. And of course, you're going to be given this video with a welcome message like this. Watch this video to better understand how our Telegram training room works and how to request your free advertising. It's the same video that you see right here. So now you're going to find the free advertising topic right here. And this is where you're going to request it. Here's an example. And when you do that, I am going to have you go through this video here to learn how to share your Facebook group that I built for you. So let's take a look. So when Andre watches that video, and when you watch that video, this is what Andre is going to do, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to go, of course, you're going to go to your Facebook group, and you're going to come down here. You're going to find these hashtag keywords, and you're going to copy them. In this post, you're going to come down to the share, and you're going to share it to a Facebook group that you belong to. And I'm going to share it to, I have over 600 of them. Of course, you're going to have access to all my Facebook groups that you can join and share your post to. We're going to share it to one of my bigger groups here, but you got to make sure that you, and then you're going to post it. And you're going to make sure that it went to that Facebook group, which it did. And look at that. I have almost 24,000 members in this Facebook group. There's the name. Make sure your name's there. Make sure these are hot. I call them hot. All right. And you're going to do that for each post. You might want to do it to several different Facebook groups that you belong to. But this is what you need to do before I do free marketing for you. You need to do it first, then I'll do it for you. Very, very important. These need to light up, and you must, in your share, in your post, these keywords must go with your share. If you don't have keywords in there, it's just a waste of time. Don't even do it because it's not going to work. Let me show you why. So when I right-click on Systeme.io, comes over here, and look, I'm at the very top. Now, this, of course, is not going to stay at the top, but your post will be at the very top. There's some more posts. It kind of gives you an idea how important it is that you have keywords and make sure that they're lit up like this. Otherwise, it's just a waste of time. In fact, here's the money flow. So if you right-click on the keyword money flow, it opens up. And those who happen to be looking for money flow on a Facebook search, there's 180,000 people looking for money flow right now. And they find yours, whatever it might be, and they go, okay, I'm going to check it out. And they click here. It's going to take them right to the Facebook group where they can then click here to join money flow, in this case here. There you go. So the money flow referral link is here, and the Systeme.io funnel link is right here. Okay, you know what to do. I'm going to wrap this training up for today, and I'm going to get ready to make a new training videos for some of these others down here, other topics. With that said, I'll be waiting for you in the live training room, ready to help and ready to do some free advertising for your Systeme.io marketing system.